Meet means to see someone. Example, I meet my friend. Include means to have something as part. Example, the box includes items. Continue means to keep doing something. Example, I continue working. Set means to put something in place. Example, I set the table. Learn means to gain knowledge. Example, I learn English. Change means to make something different. Example, I change my clothes. Lead means to guide someone. Example, I lead the team. Understand means to know the meaning. Example, I understand you. Watch means to look carefully. Example, I watch TV. Follow means to go after someone. Example, I follow you. Stop means to end something. Example, I stop working. Create means to make something new. Example, I create a video. Speak means to talk. Example, I speak English. Read means to look at words. Example, I read a book. Allow means to let someone do something. Example, I allow you. Add means to put more. Example, I add sugar. Spend means to use time or money. Example, I spend money. Grow means to become bigger. Example, plants grow fast. Open means not closed. Example, I open the door. Walk means to move slowly. Example, I walk home. Win means to be successful. Example, I win the game. Offer means to give something. Example, I offer help. Remember means to keep in mind. Example, I remember you. Love means to like very much. Example, I love my family. Consider means to think about. Example, I consider your idea. Appear to become visible. Example, mirror appears. Buy means to get something with money. Example, I buy food. Wait means to stay for something. Example, I wait here. Serve means to give service. Example, I serve food. Die means to stop living. Example, the plant dies. Send means to make something go. Example, I sent a message. Expect means to think something will happen. Example, I expect good news. Build means to make something. Example, I build a house. Stay means to remain somewhere. Example, I stay home. Fall means to go down. Example, I fall down. Cut means to divide with something sharp. Example, I cut paper. Reach means to arrive somewhere. Example, I reach home. Kill means to make something die. Example, the hunter kills animals. Remain means to stay the same. Example, I remain calm. Suggest means to give an idea. Example, I suggest a plan. Raise means to lift up. Example, I raise my hand. Pass means to succeed. Example, I pass the test.
Sell means to give for money. Example, I sell meat. Require means to need something. Example, this job requires skill. Report means to give information. Example, I report news. Decide means to choose something. Example, I decide quickly. Pull means to bring toward you. Example, I pull the door.